This cheese roulade looks fancy, but it's super simple to make. It's perfect to share with friends over a few drinks. It looks so elegant, and since it's packed with all this good stuff, my friends actually thought I bought it from a fancy deli. No specialty shops needed, just Gouda cheese, mixed nuts, and dried berries from any supermarket. First, give the larger nuts a rough chop. Same with the berries. This helps to distribute the flavor in every slice. Mix them together and you're halfway there. Put your Gouda slices into a microwave-safe bowl. Melt it in the microwave or use a double boiler if you prefer. While it's still warm, add the nuts and berry mix. Give it a good stir. I got a bit greedy with the filling, but it's worth it. Place the mixture onto some plastic wrap. Wrap it up tightly, just like this. Now, roll it back and forth into a smooth log shape. Pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to firm it up. And there you go, perfectly sliceable and ready to serve. An elegant appetizer that shows you don't need expensive ingredients to impress. The tangy berries and crunchy nuts are the soul of this dish. They go perfectly with the rich cheese. This snack goes beautifully with your favorite drinks or wine. Do give it a try.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Ciao!